Hiya Duck! So, a while ago, we had a load of snow. I couldn't get to the studio, and Adam couldn't even get out the studio because we had this blanket or duvet of snow appear. So, we decided that I was going to film some tutorials at home. So, these are those videos.
So I've already buffed the nail. So if you're doing anything on tips, you want to buff the nail first and then clean it over with clean up solution and base coat, just like I'm doing right now. So these videos were done, well I say this video for definite was done on a snow day. Yes, I know, we had a bit of snow. So I'm going to use the colour Lily, which is a nice lavender colour. Then we're going to use Paddy. I love this colour, it's like a Tiffany kind of greeny blue. Then Sandra, which is a gorgeous yellow, reminds me of summer. And then we're going to use Cotton Candy, which is a gorgeous pink, and a lily liner brush. So I'll load my brush up, and this design is inspired by tie-dye. I absolutely love tie-dye. Like I did a whole merch thing with tie-dye. It reminds me of camping, festivals, you know, that's what I love to do.
The 90s.
Yeah, in my downtime, camping is a thing.
It's so funny because I never sort of saw you as a camper. Like,
oh yeah.
You know, like I think it always like you're too sort of.
Am I too glamorous?
Glamorous for roughing it. Yeah, exactly.
No, I like roughing it, and when I'm camping, I wear like proper baggy, harem tie-dye trousers or joggers and tie-dye t-shirts and jumpers, and yeah, so I love it. So I've put a blob of one colour down first. Do you like the word blob? I love that word. And then I've gone round the outside with my next colour. And I'm going to kind of repeat this. So it's okay to let the colours touch. We're not curing any of this. So we're just laying down the colour. It doesn't need to be like a perfect circle either. And that's what I like about this design. You know, I love a design where it doesn't need to be perfect because, you know, there's room for error and that's fine. So it's a good salon design because you haven't got to be too perfect. I'm not drawing perfect circles. I know it looks like a target, like I'm doing target practice at the minute. But yeah, so go around and am I using the lily liner brush? I think I am, yeah. It's weird because I'm actually watching this as I'm doing this voiceover and I don't do this very often. I do think I should have wore gloves because I've just got that on my finger. What a messy so-and-so I am. So yeah, obviously I can't go right to the edges with, oh look, I've just wiped it off, see, look at that.
Oh, professional.
So yeah, we're getting the pink and I can't go round to the edges because obviously there's no edges there. I've repeated that all the way over and then we're going to use the lily liner brush and drag through right from the centre. Notice I clean the brush every time. And I'm cleaning the brush so I don't transfer the other colours to the centre. And it doesn't matter if you do that, that's fine. I suppose it'll add to the effect. Because it's tie-dye, it doesn't need to be like absolutely perfect. But I'm just wiping the brush on a lint-free wipe.
Kind
just
of
to make
reminds
it clean.
me of those posters that you used to get in the 90s from Woolworths. Can you remember that?
Well, I remember Woolworths.
They used to have like a poster rack and they'd have loads of like trippy posters that you would put on your wall as a kid, and well, I did anyway. That were like your magic eye things.
Yes,
yeah.
I love the magic eye things. So I'm pulling from the outer edge to the centre now. And notice I've given up on cleaning the brush. I'm just dragging it in because I know that colour's going to get transferred. I love it. It looks so cool. So we're going to top coat this now. I'm top coating it because I just want to make it nice and smooth. I want to work on a smooth surface for the next part. And then we're going to pop it in the lamp and cure it. I'm going to buff it. This is going to make it even more smoother. So obviously when you're using a lot of gel polish, you can get like an uneven surface. I want it to be nice and smooth. So I'm going over with our buffers. So this is on our metal centerboard and it's our replaceable buffer. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint a little love heart in black. So look how dark the black is. Do you know what? I actually quite like watching myself back. I didn't used to, but I'm liking this because I'm like, wow, that is black. So this is the colour Void. It's our black gel polish. You need to just use a thin coat, and it's like really black. Then we're going to do little drips. So notice I'm coming from the heart, and then I kind of press to make it a little bit more of a blob at the end. That is the word for the video, blob. You can also do the other way around, where you put a little blob and then you draw from the blob to the heart to create a little dripper. So this now is like a little upside down drip heart. I just thought I'll add that there. I thought that was quite cute. It's very 1990s, this design, isn't it?
Definitely is.
Yeah.
It's giving me like school disco vibes.
Oh, yeah.
1997.
How can you even remember the dates?
Well, because I'm not as old as you.
Oh, shut up.
1997, Mr. Purcell, who was our PE teacher,
yeah,
wore double denim while he DJ'd.
I love double denim. I'm all for the 90s vibes. So I'm using a holographic chrome directly over the top of that black gel polish, and it's got a sticky layer, so it'll stick to it nice. And then I am going to go around the edge of that with Void, so you can see you can still get a fine line, nice and pigmented with Void, using the Lily liner brush. Take your time as you do it, and then do the love art as well. Oh, I forgot I did this. Right, so this is a good little trick. Put some gel, you've got to have gloves on, put some gel polish on your finger and rub it across the edge of the nail. Obviously, if this nail was on a person, you can only go up to where the finger starts, but you can do the free edge, and it's actually really easy. So if you struggle to do lines around the edge, you can just use your finger and put it on. Top tip.
Very clever.
From the Meakin. Obviously, you need to clean that off as well, because you're going to get black everywhere else. So I'm going to finish this off at the top as well, going round where the cuticle would be. If this is on a real person, be very careful. What I would do is ease back that cuticle again, so either using a cotton bud by rolling, or use a cuticle pusher and push back the cuticle, and then your label get nice and tight. Then we're going to top coat that to seal it all in, give it longevity, make it all glossy and shiny, and there you have it, a gorgeous tie-dye drippy heart trippy nail.
So there you are, guys, thanks for watching and enjoying our snow day videos. This is what happens when it snows. We still work. Lots of other people that have snow days actually stay at home and don't work. But no, we find a way to bring you content, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Everything that I've used will be listed below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-ra, duck!